Hey guys, how's it going YouTube? How's it going y'all? Sparking Mark 23 here, and I'm back to do a video announcing like about 1 hour ago or two was the beginning of for Kickstarter's Kickstarter funding for the documentary of the FPS first-person shooter, the definitive FPS shooter FPS documentary, the first-person shooter documentary. If anybody remembers of the 90s, of course, about these video games and among other things. And now, Kickstarter's now doing the funding. With that, let's take a look here. And here we go, y'all. And it's beginning, folks. And they're pledging. Oh, man, it's starting, guys. And I'm planning to get something for this. And if you see here for this documentary, for anybody familiar with video games over the 90s or the 2000s, and of course, schedule will be released for April 2022, but I'm not so sure. But heck. And of course, here's a poster of the FPS. I mean, the FPS, if I see, yeah, I did say it. Very cool, huh, folks? Yep, anybody remember video games over the years, including such video games like the GoldenEye 007, Perfect Dark, Time Splitters, anything that's first-person shooter games of those eras could recall what went on in those days. Like, I played some video games myself over the years. Heck, very fun, very cool. And with that, let's take a look at, of course, the campaigns. You got this section for support. You want to pledge without a reward. It's your choice. $2 you can add a few dollars. Pledge for $30. This is for the digital version of the documentary. Nah, I don't want to do I don't want to do that. It always bug me. Go more. Let's see anything else. Oh, here it is. You have Blu-ray DVD Master Chief. It's about $84, 60 pounds or more. So yeah, and your name will be added in the campaign as well. Oh wow, even over the years they did it from PCs to video games, live. And here's what it's going to look like: DVD or Blu-ray, factory pressed. Here is the mouse pad, classic box design, very cool. And here is the t-shirts, and here's variation ones. So I believe the limited edition posters. You got yourself t-shirts. You got casts from the best known for this guy named Warren Spector, best known for his work for groundbreaking Deus Ex while at Ion Storm, and of his earlier work of Thief and System Shock at Looking Glass Studios. John Romero, co-founder of the ID Software, who worked in Wolfenstein 3D, Doom 2, Quake, and designed many legendary games. Tom Hall, co-founder of at ID Software, best known for work as Commander Keen and Wolfenstein 3D, Doom, and then after that he joined. After ID, he joined Apogee, where he designed Rise of the Triad before co-founding Ion Storm with John Romero. Then you have, of course, video game designers, 2, and you have 1 developer. Sandy Peterson, game design, Doom 1 and 2, Quake 1 and 2. American McGee, game designer, Doom 1 and 2, Quake 1 and 2. And Graham, or how do you say it, is Jeremy or Graham Devine, video game developer, Quake 3 Arena, Doom 3. Then you have the developer and designers, Janelle Jack Quay, game design, Quake 2 and 3. Dave Taylor, game developer, Doom and Quake. Tim Willits, game design, Quake 1 through 3. Rage, Quake Champions. And list goes on, folks, of these people. So yeah, pause it very carefully. I'll leave it there for a few seconds, and you could pause it if you can. And the list goes on for these people. So yeah, folks, take a look at that. Pause it very carefully, folks, of everyone around the world. All right. So yeah, this is the Duke Nukem. If anybody remembers Good Bad Flicks' view of John Carpenter's They Live, John Carpenter's They Live was the inspiration for the video game of the Duke Nukem 3, where he says this line, "It's time to kick ass and chew bubblegum, but I'm all out of gum." That's where the main character says that line. And it was the inspiration and lovable by They Live. And of course, this is digital, and it's approximately $42, 30 pounds. The Master Chief, which has the physical copies and everything, it's about $60, well, 60 pounds, but it's $83 US. The Doom Marine edition is 125 pounds, but it's $174. The Quake Guy, 350 pounds, $487 US. The Joanna Dark, ooh, very, very pricey, dudes. If you can read there, it's about $1,943, but it's 1,400 pounds. Ooh, the BJ Bolakowski, if I said the name right, correct me if I'm wrong. Whoa, 2,800 pounds, about, ooh-wee, 3,893, ooh-wee. This particular one, ooh, the Kate Archer is about 5,600 pounds, 7,785. Ooh. Or it's a 7,785. Ooh, and 3,893. Oof, oof, oof. So yeah, folks, it's your choice how you want to get yours. To me, I'd rather stick with 84 bucks, and it will take a year to get to your destination, folks. So yeah, that's all you need to know right now. So yeah, that's all I gotta say, folks. So yeah, 26 days to go. So that'll mean it will expire during the middle of July, which will be linked in the description box around July 26th, one day before my sis's 23rd birthday. So yeah, better get it, like, starting right now, folks, if you're interested, folks. If you're interested. That's all I'm talking to all you gamers and geeks and dudes and dudettes of the world, including Young Bucks, BUCKS, the Bucks, and all you generations out there of video game world. And all there is to know to all my subscribers and all my friends out there. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you. I'll catch you dudes and dudettes on the next one. Catch you later. And happy game hunting, y'all.